Humility to stand before you at this significant APC National Summit, which presents an opportunity to reflect, to celebrate, and to re-energize our collective journey towards a greater Nigeria. Let me begin by extending my deepest appreciation to the leadership of our great party, from the hard-working world executives to state and geopolitical leaders across the length and breadth of this nation, not leaving out our wonderful National Working Committee, the governors, the National Assembly, the Federal Executive Council, state legislatures, and federal bodies. Your resilience, commitment, and strategic mobilization and our great party, the All Progressives Congress, the massive electoral victory in the 2023 general election. You did not only deliver victory, but have sustained the momentum of governance and reform that Nigerians truly deserve, particularly in the states that we govern and at the center. To our national chairman, I must pause to pour well-deserved praises. Your leadership has been focused, principled, and unifying. You have steered this party with wisdom and discipline, anchoring it on the ideas that brought us together. These ideas focus on the Nigerian people and our nation as topmost priorities. Most importantly, a reference to leadership and transformation cannot be complete without celebrating the vision, the courage, and the result-driven governance of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, which explains why a journalist recently referred to him as Professor of Infrastructure. Now, when you look at the Calabar-Lagos Road, and of course, Sokoto to Badagry Road, superhighways, then you know that journalist did not make a mistake. In just less than 2 years, we have witnessed impactful decisions, strategic reforms, and commitment to national development. Mr. President leadership reminds us of the legendary Lee Kuan Yew of Singapore, a man whose foresight, discipline, and tenacity transformed a small nation into a global model of prosperity and order. This is the quality of leadership Nigeria is privileged to have today under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Presentations by honorable ministers and special advisors will further deepen our understanding and appreciation of Mr. President's projects, policies, and programs. The renewed hope agenda of our great party has inspired millions of Nigerians. Happily, we are glad to observe that most citizens are joining our party, not because of mere promises, but because they are experiencing concrete results. They see purpose, they see mission, and they see meaning, and they see the bright future. And to those still watching from afar, I say, our doors are wide open. The APC is a movement of progress and inclusiveness because nation building is not that the job of a few, It is a collective task. Everyone has a role to play, and we welcome all Nigerians that believe in our ideas and aspirations. As we look ahead to 2027, now is the time to double down on our efforts. We are beginning now, not just to campaign, but to mobilize by showcasing the achievements of the APC under the leadership of Mr. President, by amplifying the integrity, foresight, and compassion of Mr. President, and by being ambassadors of peace, discipline, and national unity. As party members, let us embrace collaboration and cooperation, pursue peace and unity to sustain Nigeria on the path of greatness. The APC is not just a party, it is a vision. And with your continued support, that vision will endure and triumph abundantly.
Announcing the arrival of His Excellency, the very distinguished Kashim Shettima, arrival of
Thank you very much. For opening. The governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Lucky Aiyedatiwa. Thank you.
Our party APC, oh Allah, we're here in thousands, all we're seeking for refuge to help us to help our president. Subhanallah,
Not only to beneficiaries, but also individually. But our failure.
Right Honorable Benjamin Kalu Okese, right, the Chief of Staff to Mr. President, the National Chairman, his governors here present, Excellencies, Deputy Governors here present, the Secretary, welcome you here, Special Advisors to the President of Nigeria, Party Faithful, Party Juggernauts.
oh Allah, we handed over here for the betterment of our country and our president. Oh Allah.
As we gather at the State House Banquet Hall for the APC National Summit. Number one, his greatest respect as he made.
his summit. So there's a need for synergy between party structures
and plan for the future of not just the party, but of our country or the party. The journalists are welcome here.
It was spoken when replicating the many moves of the political party and government towards various sectoral achievements for a better Nigeria. My name is Eugenia Akume, Congress APC National Summit. Mr. President, who remain the most ardent fans of their political parties.
So today, we are all here as one family.
As a family, as technocrats, as the President's men and women,